Welcome to Livingstone Ranch. Aleesha's finally going to get her chickens. She's been wanting chickens for even before we moved out to the property. So we got to run around today and pick up some stuff. But you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What kind of chickens are you
I'm getting olive eggers, which lay olive eggs, green eggs, and then I'm gonna get some back cross olive eggers, which means that they can either lay, there's a 50-50 chance they're gonna lay brown or darker olive eggs. So I'm excited because I not only want eggs, I want pretty eggs.
getting? She wants pretty eggs. I hate chickens, but I do love eating eggs. So it'll be a while before we're going to eat any eggs. These are just born a few days ago.
2 days. 2 days ago.
Just 2 days
And
ago.
there's only 4 right now.
So first we got to go pick up some stuff, like heat lamps, things like that, and then we're gonna grab the chicks. Okay, so we got the water trough or the livestock tank here. We'll put the chicks in. There's some aspen shavings. We picked up a jolly ball for the goats. Our yaks love them, so hopefully the goats will like that too. Then we had this bucket here. I use these for all of our animals. I use them for the yaks and the dogs and the rabbits and Lucky, the goats. They're great. The lids lock on. They don't blow off or anything like that. So I keep all the food in here. I really do like these a lot. They work really well. All right, so we gotta go one more place before we can go pick up the chicks. Aleesha's been waiting all day for the call to come pick up her chicks. She's super excited. She has their livestock trough all set up. Got the stickers peeled off of the feeder. She's super excited.
Can't wait. Can they sleep with us tonight?
No.
What do you mean?
The dogs can't sleep with us.
I know.
It's definitely not chickens that are gonna peck our eyes out. Which way am I going? Okay, here we go. Aleesha's first chickens.
Oh, they're so tiny. All right.
So they get to stay in the guest room here because
They're guests.
for now
Because it's cold
it's the
outside.
easiest place to keep them warm. So these were when were they? When
2
were they
days.
born? Just 2 days ago. So they're super new.
You need to get the water. Okay.
So this one is a hen.
Yeah, for sure a hen. And this is the second. For sure a hen.
What kind of birds they are? I mean, I know they're chickens.
They're olive eggers. That's what they're called. And this is the 50-50.
So we have two in here.
These ones we don't know.
We don't know. We have a rooster.
A lot bigger. They're a lot bigger. Hello. Hello. Baby.
I couldn't tell you how warm it is, but it's pretty warm. There you go. What do you think?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I gotta get their food and their water ready.
I'm sure Aleesha's gonna have names for them in no time. So we'll make sure that we get their names out there.
I don't want to name the tan ones until I know if they're hens or not.
Yeah.
But the black ones I could name. That one's falling asleep already. Look at it. His face is going down
He's
into
gonna face plant into the chips.
He must be happy and comfy. He's already going to sleep. Hello.
All right. Well,
That one talks a lot.
Livingstone Ranch now raises chickens. Hopefully we'll have enough where we'll be able to sell some eggs, and that'll be good. We do eat a lot of eggs.
Yeah, we do. That one's face is fully in the wood chip.
All right, with that, yeah, he's just passed out asleep, man.
That one's nervous, the tan one by the camera.
You're okay.
You're okay, buddy. Okay.
It'll convince him that he's a rooster.
Okay. Welcome home, little ones.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Livingstone Ranch.